This is a photograph of Val sitting in a Messerschmitt bubble car that was restored back in the late 1980s. And I've had a history really of being involved with microcars and scooters. Ranging from Heinkel and a Bond up to a modern smart microcar. And I restored, that's not far short of a dozen scooters, or a lot more in fact actually, there they all are. And quite a few videos about them have appeared on YouTube. This is possibly the one that was most of the work involved with doing the Messerschmitt. I had a Messerschmitt back in the when I was a teenager. This is my first one. But back in the many years after that, I bought this wreck of a Messerschmitt to restore. As you can see, there's a lot of work involved. But this week things have hit the news again because it's 60 years since the Messerschmitt was first sold in the UK. And one of the Wheelie Dealers episodes on TV recently, they paid something like about £17,000 to buy a Messerschmitt to restore. Would you believe it? When I bought mine, it was only several hundred. But there was a lot of work involved with my restoration, a lot more than the one on the TV programme. But a great person who did most of the bodywork repairs for me is coming today. He's bringing down a new restoration of his. There he is. He's coming down in a frog-eyed sprite that he's restored himself recently. This was the apprentice in the body shop where the work was done. But it'll be quite interesting to meet up with Steve again. He came down about a month or so ago just to meet up after all these years. But he's bringing down one of his own. There he is, Steve. He's bringing down one of his own restorations of frog-eyed sprite, which he's taking down to Wellington to take part in the carnival procession there tonight. So we should at least see an example of his work these days, although of course he's retired. He's just done it as a labour of love. But unfortunately we had to sell the Messerschmitt when we got into some financial difficulties way back. But I've got all these nice pictures and things to remind me. We still do manage to run around in this Daihatsu Copen, which is a little microcar, a sports car with an electric folding roof. And that gives us a lot of pleasure. Step by step through all the work. And there was a lot of work. Some of the materials used. Here we are, this is what I'm looking for. A nice close-up of Steve way back then. Of course the years have gone by since. But thanks Steve for many hours of happy motoring and his young Halberd too. Anyway, hopefully he'll be turning up in his frog-eyed sprite this morning and be able to capture that event on video.
And a bit when you're coming up. You better go and drive. Do you want him to do it? Do you want him to go and drive in? Have you got the road back? You got the road?
No.
Take my jacket off.
Yeah.
It's the first time I've driven it with the hood on.
Yeah, look at that.
That's nice. Not so nice as mine though, but it's all right.
Hello, Brenda.
What's that? Oh, not another one.
From the farm.
Oh, goodness gracious. We enjoyed that last one.
Told me I had to do it.
Oh, it's, I must say, this is very impressive. No, you'll be taking us out for a little ride later, won't you?
Yeah, I'll be taking you out.
So don't disturb it again now for the minute. Gosh, it's beautiful finish. Look at the finish on it.
Yeah, it's nice.
That's almost unbelievable for a homemade job, isn't it?
Yeah.
Call it homemade, but of course it's years of experience behind it. Wow.
Austin-Healey, that's right.
Yeah.
Austin-Healey.
Lovely.
Go and drive up round
Well, all right.
and back in.
That's it well.
Not much difference in the size, is it, in mine?
Just going to show he's going to do a false arrival, but never mind. We'll see it in that operation.
It's nice, mine.
Yeah.
Gets a bit more close.
Sounds quite powerful, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's only a bit.
I'll take this coat in a minute.
Oh, yes. Right.
I was to bring another cake.
He's brought another cake. Gosh. Lovely. Oh, you can tell it's a Bristol registration too, can't you, at the back? The old HU. Oh, it's a magnificent job, isn't it, you've done on that. Best one I've ever seen.
Is it?
Yeah. Lovely. It's a shame we're doing this parade tonight in the dark.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah.
It's tomorrow.
Night.
Ah, right. And you get things in the boot behind the seat, I guess, do you?
Yeah, I got a load of junk in there at the moment.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and you got a roll bar as well on it, yeah. Let's have a look in here.
It'll be a nice weekend for weather, isn't it?
Sean and John's going off to Copenhagen.
Yeah, she sent us a note saying things about it after said it was going at the end of the month. It's going this Sunday.
Do you know, I took some pictures of you. They didn't come up, the ones, nobody's looking at my camera. The picture you took was fantastic. You'd get my email to say thank you?
Yes, thank you. Yeah, we did. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I've done some photographs in there at the bottom. Do you know what I've done? I've put them on the side. I've
No,
left,
never mind.
I've
What,
left I've left the photographs in the Mercedes. I've left the photograph of the thing.
What time did you leave home then?
I left at 7.
Did you come on the motorway or the?
Yeah, motorway.
Oh, did you?
If Mike
You're
can
brave.
go, if Mike can go all the way up to the lake, he's really changed me because I am now logging, doing all my photographs. I'm putting them together and putting them on the computer. I've got to thank him for all that.
It's getting warm, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely, yeah, it's a lovely morning for it now.
Well, I thought I was going to be freezing in that.
Yeah.
Because, it does rattle a bit. With
Yeah, that one rattles mine because it's so low on the ground. Went
Oh,
to the
yes.
Regal to see a show last at the girl across the road and we went out to Minehead in it, had a CD in it and the flipping well broke the CD, it went over a bump.
Yeah, we never noticed that before.
Literally split.
Did go a bit fast over the bump, mind you, but ended up by cracking the CD in the player.
Nice enough to put the hood down today. I want to take the hood off.
I will take the hood down.
Yeah.
It'd be nice if you can film it going along the road.
Yeah,
I
great.
haven't actually got any video. My friend was going to do it, and Michelle wanted her video back. By the time I got round to doing it,
It's
too
really
no,
big, the whole... Yeah,
no, it goes up.
Right, you'll have to demonstrate it now you mentioned it.
Well, I didn't lock it down.
well, the whole thing comes out. Oh, look at that.
God, is that how the original was?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's so heavy. It's the heaviest one I've ever lifted in my time.
Mm.
Twin carbs, obviously. Yeah.
Don't cover the insurance company.
Oh, I see.
I'm only joking.
Yeah. Well, isn't it Is it only 1,000 or was it bigger?
1100. It's
1100.
10.8. It's a
Oh, right, yeah.
948 originally, but somebody's put. I don't know whether they rebored it and made it bigger. I don't honestly know because it's got the original. It says it's got the original ending in there. But
There isn't much space to work around it, is there, with this great thing, or will this come off fairly easily?
no, about 4 people. I think.
Get that off. Heavy, I suppose, is it? Yeah.
It's really heavy.
Yeah, good job, bits.
You could snap your wrist, bringing it back down.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm surprised it's doing the catch actually
You can see,
underneath the
like,
front.
it's like mini moke sort of thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, isn't it? With the, yeah. Oh, it's, look at the condition
Do
thing.
you want a bacon butty or anything like that?
It's up to you. I don't mind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We could eat proper bacon breakfast.
Yeah.
Takes me about an hour to get the hood back on.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a nightmare. It's not. I wish I had one like yours.
Yeah, just press a button.
Oh, yeah,
Can I
that'd be
demonstrate
fantastic.
yours?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's unbelievable.
Yeah, Janet said last night when I checked her, she said, how'd you get the roof, how'd you get the roof down? I said, well, I'm not going to demonstrate it now because it was sort of dark by then almost into the room.
I don't think you can beat that type of roof because it's solid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not like fabric.
No.
It's secure.
Yeah, when they designed it, they didn't worry about rattles, so it's a very rattly car to drive along with the roof up. But of course, when the roof's down, you don't hear any of that.
No.